What is up, y'all? My bad. There's something just going on my Streamlabs for some reason. It's like, I don't know what it is, but my camera was messing up. And it's gonna make me think that everything else is messing up. Like, I don't even know what it was, y'all, but I literally, like, got out of here. And when I finally came back in, for some reason, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? But I literally got back out, and when I came back in, for some reason, my camera was acting up. The ratio of the screen was messed up. It was to the point where I was like, I might have to stream without any of, like, I might have to go on a whole different, like, OBS studio or something. And I was like, what the hell just happened? But then I realized that I had my little setup here, like the neon stuff. So I was like, I guess, hey, what's up, Jesus? What is up, Pixar? And a cat, GG. But it was just like, I don't know, it was weird. So I had to do a whole bunch of things like right before starting the stream that I thought it was gonna take until, dummy long, but then I was able to do it like a minute right before stream, or make it a minute before stream, but I didn't want to start. So I decided to like set the stream time to 44 instead of 43, but it was like, what is up, no excuses? But oh my goodness, like that was tough, man. That was tough. Like I was like, yo, and then on top of that, at least the chat is working. I think I might have to do the same thing for my live. It's fix my camera. Unless it's like ultimately fixed now. So I'm gonna have to real quick. I want to get a picture of me being live. Or not a picture of me being live. Sometimes I do it like that, but I'm realizing I'm probably just going to screenshot what the hell I see here. Put it on my Instagram and then put it on, well, I think most of you guys are here from Discord because I feel like I see a lot of y'all. But I'm gonna have to put this here from Discord, so live right now. I mean Instagram, and then eventually go to Discord. I need to do a link. So let me get the video link real quick. Hopefully y'all aren't chatting, cause I don't see, okay, good. Oh shoot, my laptop's about to die. Ah, that would have been even worse. Jeez, my laptop is about to die, bro. Like, I'm just not prepared. I am not prepared. That would have pissed me off even more. Not even gonna lie. Why the hell my YouTube? Okay, so we got this. Put that on my story. Probably gonna end up pasting it in Discord because I don't know how much people, about 10 people. Maybe I don't need to, honestly. Probably don't need to, but I'm still gonna do it. Okay, there we go. Now let's go. Is this for code camp today? Yes, it is. Honestly, if I had more time to plan, I would have already been building a project. But I just don't have it in me. Like, oh my goodness, 12-hour shifts are no joke. I was like, at some point, I was prepared to like, oh, you know what I just realized? I'm gonna have to go to the live spot right now because it's probably gonna mess up. Oh, okay, it got my screen. Oof. But I was just going to. Then what the hell was I saying? I would have been more prepared to do a freaking project. But today, no, I'm not. I'm not as prepared to do one. Hey, what's up, Ryan? What is up? What is up? So we're gonna hop back on Free Code Camp. I'm not gonna lie, Free Code Camp has finally been teaching me. Like, I feel like once I finally got the basics down, it did take a while. I think now it actually feels like they have been teaching me. Like, I think it's not like me just hearing BS and then I'm trying it. It's like, no, I actually get it most of the time. So if you're new here, man, we're trying to make this music player here on the right side over doing some stuff over here. Since I finished CSS and HTML, I'm confused. Next step framework, JS. Oh, okay. I normally think just vanilla JS, but some people can be a little bit iffy on that. So you can kind of see it. You look tired. No, yeah, I'm exhausted, man. Like, a part of me wasn't gonna stream today just off of the fact that I'm actually streaming at the wrong time anyway because I messed up a couple of days ago. So I was gonna try to like reset it today, but I don't know when to reset it. Not gonna lie, we'll see. Right now the song order is not changed. That is because the updates you made using the sort method will not happen until the sort songs function is called. So change your, oh wait. Oh, I thought that was, never mind. So change your function to call sort songs function. My bad. I thought I already did it, because sometimes they do it like that. Alright, there we go. Now, wait, what does that do? Oh, I guess the song's changed. Okay, that's good. That's good. So the bug was annoying me for 2 days. Turns I was typing user ID instead of user ID. Oh, uppercase. Shaking my head. That's what I'm saying, man. It gets annoying. But just the other day, I started like, because I was at work and I started thinking of things that I could probably come up with for like maybe some live streams so it's not always just me learning or trying to get my certification and stuff, which I do love doing it. So see you, Mars. You have a good stream. Thank you so much, Ryan. I said, man. Thank you so much, Ryan. See you later. But I'm thinking that I'm probably going to end up do like one of the tasks I want to give myself, which some of these of course are going to be easy. I'm only going to try to do tasks that it makes sense to me, but I want it to be able to, like, let's say I'm starting a game, right? Hold on real quick. Define placeholder function using const. The function should take an ID as the perimeter. So I'd have to wait, do they want me to do like an arrow function? Yeah. Unless they're saying, do we already declare the placeholder function? Let me see. If we already declared it, then I think we're just declaring a variable. Okay, we didn't. So I think they want me to do the arrows if I can find my tags. Oh, okay. Then do I even remember how to do the arrows? I think it's supposed to be equals something like this. Then equals arrow drop down. And then the perimeter, this would be the perimeter, should take ID. I don't know if I'm supposed to put quotes around that. Oh, I think I'm getting this wrong. Oh, I did the wrong syntax. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, maybe I'm tripping. Oh, okay. I was like, something's not working, but it's the quotes. So does that mean next book she recommended, which I start? Well, I'm saying, oh, okay. So it wasn't easy to spot here. Well, I'm basically saying just vanilla JavaScript, which just means you're coding out JavaScript without a framework. But I guess unless you already know JavaScript, then I guess you could jump into a framework. But I'm somebody where I don't think people should jump into frameworks until they kind of learn more of the vanilla by itself. Says curly bracket. Oh yeah, I got it. So it wasn't spot because of any reasons. No, yeah, I know, man, it's tough. But I was gonna basically come up with little things that I could do on my own throughout my stream. So like, for instance, something I wanted to do, which may be simple, is like, let's say there's a start button for like a choice-driven game. I want to be able to click that, and when I click that, the text at the top changes. So right, it's gonna be like start game, click the button. Then the text at the top needs to change to like the storyline that I'm gonna do, like something a part of that, and then put 2 buttons. That's literally all I want to do. Because I know at that point, if I could just keep doing 2 buttons, you kind of can make the whole game at that point. But of course you need to really, like, I feel like if you do a choice-driven game, you're actually writing out more of the story than you're really writing out code. Because the code is going to be easy. So the find method, oh, yes, retrieves the first element with an array that fulfills the condition specified in the provided callback. This is going to be difficult. So we have .sort, .join, .map. How many more dots do we have? I mean, well, dots is crazy, but I mean, technically it all starts at the dot. And then this one is like the only one that just goes by itself. I'm like, come on, that's not even fair. So let's say this method retrieves the first element. So retrieves, by the way, if you are new here, the more steps that I solve here, the closer I get to my certification. Currently, I want to become a freelance web developer, and eventually I'm going to become a CS grad student near down the line. So I'm gonna do a lot of learning here. So if you feel like, hey, I'm not gonna be a web dev, but I'm gonna, I want to be a computer engineer, this is still the place for you, because I'm going to literally be trying to achieve my computer science certification. And in a way, you kind of need to learn in all those territories, web dev, and then you need to learn a little bit of engineering, software engineering. As a computer engineer, software engineering, IT, right? Possibly cybersecurity content. So definitely y'all could stick around. Anything tech is about to start going on here. But of course, you gotta wait until I get there, because right now it's web dev. Eventually I'm gonna jump into that. So it's gonna be super cool. You said that's a smart move. I mean, like, CSS framework. Oh, because you confused me when you said, next frame, because you put JS at the end of your first text, so I was lost. I mean, if you feel like you know the basics of CSS, I think, yeah, going to a CSS framework is pretty good. Currently that's not what I do, but you don't obviously need to follow what I do. I think a lot of people would probably say just get the framework now that you understand CSS. You're saying bootstrap, so there's kinds of what we do in game dev. We start off making story-based games with buttons. they're small in scope while we learn how to implement the code correctly. No, yeah, that's exactly why a part of me wants to do it. Because I feel like it's definitely going to help with my coding and understanding of game logic. But, I mean, not game logic, I mean coding logic. But then it's also something that I'll find fun to do, that like I can at least make a choice-driven game with web devs. Even though you shouldn't be using it for that, I'll have fun. Hey, what's up, XZ? What is up? What is up? So use const to create a variable named song. Got this. Just go slow. We're going song. Assign it the result of the .find method call on this array. The way it says array makes me think it should be in an array, but we're not going to listen. Use song as the parameter of find. Gotcha. Callback and check if song ID is strictly equal to ID. Wait, is that like on a different line? Alright, I got this. Is song ID? Oh wait, ID equal to ID? Probably should have wrote that the other way around. This will iterate through the user's database songs array. Okay, let's see. Probably should have wrote that the other way around. Yeah, I was gonna say I figured I should have known. I mean, well, I said it. Song.id. Oh, I'm still going off somewhere. Use strictly equality to check. Oh, so what? My bad. Oh, because I'm thinking, never mind. Should strictly check if song.id. Okay, so was it the other way around? You know what? F this. Song. What the hell? How did I end up on this side? Song. And then just ID. Maybe I was wrong. Okay, that shit don't matter. Straight up. That shit just don't matter. I'm just writing it wrong somewhere. So your find method should use strict equality. Oh, I'm putting that in my find? I thought it said put song in the perimeter. Oh, and check? I'm confused how. Oh, wait. I'm realizing they want me to put it in here, but I'm confused what they mean by use song. Like, I don't think I'm supposed to delete it. Your find method should be assigned to song constant. Your find method should use strictly equality to check if song ID is equal to ID. Am I tripping? Of course I am, because this ain't right. So .find user data !songs. This saying something about use song as the perimeter of the find callback and check if song ID is strictly equal to song. So like, what? Might as well do a comma? I think I'm getting confused because it's saying to a song constant. Are you telling me to go const song in here? Like, what the hell are they saying? This find method should have a song perimeter of its arrow function callback. Oops, I don't erase my shit. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, you know what? Unless it's supposed to have two, because they do have two up there. How did they do it? I think they did something like this. Why is it still here? You know, it probably would have worked, but I just didn't even notice I still had that there. Your find method should have song perimeter. What the hell's a song perimeter? Did I put it here? And it should check if it's equally. Your find method should be assigned to song. Okay. Song. Try to run it like that. No, that doesn't work. And I'm doing it like this. So they did .find. Oh, do they? Oh, I'm not even reading the rest of that. So they want me to do it on the same line. Okay, now I got it. Okay, so now we put song in here. And then I think we're doing. Whoa, where did it go? Oh, song ID. Song.id is equal to ID. Is that how they want me to write that? That's not how they want me to write that. What's going on with my syntax? Oh, close it off, close it off. There we go. Never mind. So we close it off. It's equal now. The perimeter song. Why does it keep saying it should be assigned to a song constant? Because as I could see, the song isn't working. So but there's no way that you would do const song. Sorry, my bad. If I'm not looking at the chat, it's because I feel like someone probably gave me the answer and I want to see if I could solve it myself. So your find method should use strictly equal. Unless I'm being confused by what the perimeter is. Because is this one the perimeter? Because why would they use number for both? Because is this one the perimeter or not? Create a variable named song, assign it the find method, call on the user data songs array. Use song as the parameter of the .find callback and check if song ID is strictly equal to ID. Oh, I knew I was right about my 3 equals, but they made me feel like, well, I only felt some type of way because I threw it down there. Woof. Alright, my bad if y'all have been chatting it up in the chat. I don't know if someone answered the question, so I wanted to see if I could solve it myself, and I did. Hey, y'all saw that problem solving skills. Took a minute, but I did it. You said, I don't think she got time to game stream. No, I really don't. I really don't have time to game stream. It says you should do it and have fun while doing it. That's just as important as learning. Oh, yeah, facts. It says, are you making the song thing on the side? Yes, I am. My bad if I didn't answer you for dummy long, bro. I was struggling. Is anyone interested? Boot camps. It says, lol, coding really is just trial and error, just trying things till it works. No, facts, bro. Facts. He said I was overthinking it. I mean, I think I just missed the fact that they gave me an example because I wasn't thinking that I was allowed to write after it. Well, technically, you're still inside of it, but I just didn't look at the example. I didn't know they wanted me to do an arrow. So I'm thinking, like, I'm putting it here, putting it in here. What are they talking about? So when I finally looked at that example, I'm like, oh, should have looked more. I'm back. Did 3 videos today. Hey, that's what's up, Ryan. That is what's up. Sorry, I forgot you don't like hints or answers. No, I mean, I'm okay with hints. It's just that because sometimes there's a couple people in here, I just don't know. Like, I think the way you did it was great, but I just don't know if other people are going to try to give me the answer, so I always try not to look, because I be seeing my chat move. I'm like, I don't know if someone's going to tell me. So inside the play song function, set the audio src property equal to song src. Okay. Audio dot src equal, equal to song dot src. And then also set the audio title property equal to song title. This audio element, what should be displayed. The only thing I'm afraid of here is me doing this incorrectly, which it is a possibility. Okay, we did that. We ate. Can it play songs now? I would literally jump if a song started playing. I would have been literally startled. Let's see if we can hit 1,275. That would be amazing. Subscribers. Oh, make sure you end up hitting that like button. By the way, there's about 10 people in here. Hit that like button. What is up, Mr. Mickey Mouse? What is up? What is up? What is up? Now, it says before playing the song, you need to make sure it starts from the beginning. This can be achieved by using the current time property on the audio object. So add an if statement to check whether user data. Okay, let's go. We got this. If statement to check whether user data current song is falsy, or if user data ID is strictly not equal. This condition will check is falsy. Am I supposed to make that shit equal false? Like, what are we talking about? This condition will check if no, because that wouldn't make sense to just be, well, I mean, maybe it does, like, just to be, like, false, and then, what the hell is the or sign again? Is it this one? Or is the, no, because, yeah, that one's and. I don't know if I'm supposed to put equal false. Or if I'm just supposed to leave it by itself. I guess I'll figure it out. It's strictly not equal. So strictly not equal. Oh shit. MDM docs. How do you do not equal? What the hell? It's strictly not equal. No, help me. They can do this to me. What does not equal mean? Is this really what the not equal is? NE? Check if two numbers are equal. If the numbers are equal to 1 will be pushed back. So let me see. They don't even have a good example. What the fuck is all this? Oh. Like, no, bitch. What is all this? Check if num is not equal to 2. That's not, please tell me that's not what the fuck that's doing, bro. That can't be what the hell that's doing. Alright. JS, what's the not equal operator? Okay. I was like, I don't know what the hell they was doing. I had a feeling it was something like that. So then not equal to, strictly not equal to song ID. I don't know if I'm supposed to put false there though. Then inside the if block set current time. So I guess we're gonna figure this out. Current time, oh damn. Current time. And property of the audio project to 0. Set the current time property of the audio project. What the hell are they talking about? My audio project. Are they telling me to do audio.current time? What is going on here? Why does the syntax look funny? You should create an if oh no. I was close. I was close. And I was, you know what, if they didn't show me that, I think I would have eventually got to null, so they played me. But I still need to finish other things here. So we got equals null. Oh, wait, why the hell am I doing regular equal signs? That just pissed me off. I think this one's supposed to be 2, right? I don't know why the hell I was just thinking that. That's still not it though. So we got, oh, so it is audio. I had a feeling. I gotta stop saying stuff out loud. I just gotta try it. Current time to 0 inside your if block. Do I have to do 3 of them for them to feel better? Like what? Am I missing syntax? Because why is that still coming out like that? Oh. That's embarrassing. I caught it though. Got it. It says, hey, what's up? Just came from writing 500 lines of code in Python. It gave me a headache. Damn, that must be crazy. That must be crazy. So since you are searching it, can I drop it? Oh, I mean, well, you probably could have if I was searching it, honestly. But does that help me was personal? It says it's if, not ID. No, yeah, I know. I changed it. I accidentally put ID. That was by my mistake. You know, sometimes we just be messing up syntax. Sometimes messing up syntax. No, I'm just kidding. I knew it was if. I don't know how, because if you look at the keyboard, the D is right next to the F. Say, even though that code worked here, some suggestions rather than doing something equals false, you could do something, and it has strictly, it's saying either equal to or not. Oh, okay. If you're new here, man, hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to at least 1,275. That would be super dope. So it says add an else block to handle the song's current playback time. So within this else block, we need to set audio dot current time object to the value stored. So I guess we're doing this. So current time to the song current time. Alright, we got that. Oh shoot, I gotta put this a little bit more down, but that's where my console is. Can it play songs yet? Okay, fine. Fine, if it can't play songs, it can't play songs. By the way, if you're new here, I stream every single day, 12 p.m. EST. And on top of that, I post YouTube videos every other day going along a different type of series. I got a barbershop series, I got a motivational series, I got a series talking about my journey on coding. So it's a pretty nice little YouTube channel setup that we got there. So definitely, if you're new, hit that subscribe button if you want to see me try and get this certification. The more steps I solve, the closer I get to my certification. Need to update the current song being played as well as the appearance of the play button element. So assign song to the current. Okay, we got this song. Oh, damn. Can I? The reason why I'm missing stuff is because I have my wire over my keyboard. So song. Wait, what the hell was it? Assign song to current song. Property on the user data object. What? Why do I always bring some random shit up? What do you mean on the user data object? What? Yeah, I'm already lost by that. On the user data object. Like, what? No, you should not use the operational question mark dot in this because user data dot song. Our current song will be a null. Oh, okay, so that's what the hell they want me to do? Why would they say it like that? Okay, never mind. You should assign song to. Oh, my bad. Backwards. Got it backwards. I'm like, bruh, that literally is the same thing. But I put it back. What the fuck? Okay, I mean, I guess that was I reset the fucking thing. I don't even know what was happening. Paste equals song. There we go. On to the next one. Hey, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? If you're new here, man, hit that subscribe button. You said I respect the hustle. Good luck in your journey. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Truly, truly, truly. It means a lot. So it means user data.current song. Before the dot is the object, and after that is the property. Yeah, I just figured when I finally put it through, I realized I understood it the way they said it. I mean, no, I understood it, but I didn't understand the vocabulary, which I need to definitely get that vocabulary down a lot because I can't be sitting around here not understanding vocabulary. What is going on? Now we're at 1,268. Let's see if we can get that to 1,270. That would be super dope. It says next use the class list property in add method to add the playing chess to the play button. This will look for the chess playing in the CSS file and add it to the play button element to finally play the song use play. Okay, hold on. Wait, stop. So we're going to go back. Use the class list property to add to the playing class to the play button element. So play button dot class list dot add. I think we're doing it to the play. Oh, damn, I had to shut out my jaw. And then we got to do playing. I think is what they're trying to get at. To finally play the song, use the play method on the audio. I have a fucking headache. What do you mean on the audio? Okay, I'm assuming they just mean, oh, damn. Audio dot play me. Just kidding. Dot play. Oh, I did it. I almost overthought it. But I got that. I got it. Next, it says, in the previous steps, you built out the functionality for playing a song. Now, you need to add the functionality to the play button so that it will play the current song when it is clicked on. Ooh. So use the add event listener method, pass and click. Why am I saying it like that? For the first argument, an empty callback function with arrow syntax for the second argument. I hate when they make me write this out. So for the, wait, actually, you know what? That is just arrow syntax. So for the first argument, I mean, what the fuck? But add event listener to what? Do we have a play button? Oh, I think we do, right? We just did that. Okay, we do have a play button. I'm like, what are we doing? So play. I think we're doing it on the play button. Dot add event listener. If I could spell listen. There you go. Listener. And then we gotta go click. And then they want me to do the parenthesis. Ooh, arrow syntax. I'm goated. Just kidding. That was probably the easiest one. It says, how's your memory retention? Kind of whack. I'm not gonna lie. My memory in the gutter. It's bad. You know what's actually weird is like, I don't think I have good memory 2 minutes later. Like, you know, like I could just learn something and then I could forget it like 2 minutes later. But tomorrow, it's like, I feel like I could remember what happened now. And it's so weird. I don't know why. So within the arrow function of the event listener, add an if. Gotcha. If statement. Check if the current user is null. Well, clearly we're not going to put is null, but we got this. I don't remember. Did they make me put 3 of these? I think they did. I think you always do. Inside the if block, call the play song function. Oh, okay. Copy and paste because we are devs. You know, if they're gonna give it to us, we're gonna use it. Function with the ID of the first song. User data songs array. I'm kind of lost by that, but I'm assuming they mean this. They said array. Should have known, damn it. They literally said array, but it's okay. Let's keep it pushing. Hey, what's up, oh, what I call you? Oh, Gala? Should I say that? Says, came here to say hello to Marcy's journey in chat. Now I'm going back to free code camp responsive web design. Hey, that's what's up. Hopefully you get that certification, man. Truly. That'll be super, super dope. Says, don't worry. It's normal to forget. You just have to relearn it enough sometimes and retain it. No, yeah, that's definitely why, for me, like, when it comes to building, I like to try and rebuild similar things because it definitely helps me. Like, with the add event listener, it's like I have that shit down pat because most of the stuff I'm going to be doing with websites are probably going to have to do with buttons in a way, depending on what you really want to do. So it's like, for me, that's the one that I just really remember. I kind of remember, like, the syntax for objects, but I'm trying to see real quick. Like, I know how to write this stuff in here. This is, like, clear to me. I might forget this part. But, yeah. So it says, add an else block. We got this. Call the play song function with the ID of the current playing song. Okay, so now we gotta go. Wait, do they want me to do the user data part, or do they just want me to do current song? This ensures, I don't know if they want me to do the user data part. Oh, okay, they did. I should have known better. Okay, paste that. We're good. On to the next. Can I play a damn song yet? Okay. Oh! It played, y'all. That scared the hell out of me. Literally scared the hell out of me. Like, what the hell? By the way, if y'all are new here, man, I have my Discord in the description. If you want to go and join up on that Discord, that would be pretty damn cool. It says to play the song anytime the user clicks on it, add on-click attribute to the first button element. Inside the on-click, call the play song function. Wait, hold on, start over. To play a song anytime the user clicks on it, add an on-click attribute to the first button. Call the play song function with song ID. What? Do I just do on-click? And then what the hell do they mean call the play song function? This is HTML. Is that how I'm supposed to do it? What the fuck? Oh, you know what? It is. But I guess they wanted me to do it a little bit. Oh, wait. Oh. I see. Damn. I wouldn't have thought of that. Not even gonna lie. Thank God they showed me. But I still messed this up. You should add... Is it because they're right next to each other? So you got on-click attribute with the value play song. In parentheses, song ID to the button element. Are they mad about my placement? They're probably mad about my placement. Let me fix this. They probably want me to put it back here. Oh no. Maybe. I was gonna say maybe I uppercase something. Let's copy and paste. What the hell? Oh. Is on click like a dot? Like what the hell? Or is it an equals? So you should add an on-click attribute with the value. Oh, what the hell? Where's my C? Oh, okay, that wasn't it. Anyway, but I'm like, I'm putting on lick. Add an on-click attribute to the first button. What the fuck? Is this not on-click? So this part is clearly right because we copied and pasted it. This sucks. But I guess looking at the documents isn't bad. I probably just gotta look at the on-click syntax. I saw and everything though. It's supposed to be equal. Oh, they don't even have on-click. Are you kidding me? JS on-click syntax. Can I fucking spell for a second? Bruh. This needs to get off my keyboard. Oh. Oh no, that's not even it. I thought they wanted me to do quotes. Was it not the quotes? Oh, it was. I almost put backticks, that's why. How could I forget? And you know what's so... Well, I mean, I can see why I forgot because it's all in a fucking quote. I can literally see why I forgot because we're in a quote already. So I'm not even like correlating. I need to put quotation marks. And on top of that, I thought when you did... Oh, you know what? That's not true because I did it up here. Huh. I was like, I thought when you did, whatever the hell these are called, like, lateral, literal. I thought when you did those, I thought they had to be in backticks. I mean, technically it is in a backtick. That's why. If I remembered, we're all inside of a backtick. Crazy work. How could I forget the quotes, bro? I mean, like I said, I could see why. Because why the hell are we writing HTML inside of JavaScript? I just don't like it. I don't like it. It says, oh, he said SM. He said, just do it. I'm here for you now. Wait, do what? I'm confused. What? Okay, anyway. Oh, we're making a music player here. So we are able to play this song. Says, don't you need quotes? Yes, I did. My bad. Definitely is difficult, but I ended up finally getting it. Y'all, by the way, if you're new here, man, the more steps that you solve, the closer I get to my certification. So definitely. Oh, so hold on. Define this function, const keyword. But definitely hit that subscribe button, man. It'll be super dope. Come join this journey. So we got const song equals. And then what? We're doing the no perimeter, but I don't know if I don't need that. I think we still need to have it written in there. Okay, that's good. We got that part. Just string literals. Oh, yes. Yes. Wait, is it string literals? Maybe it is. Hey, what's up, SB? What is up? If y'all are new here, man, the more steps I solve, the closer I get to my certification. So it would be super dope if you join the journey. We're on the road to 1,270. Would be nice if we can get that to 275. The store the current time of the song when it's paused. Set the song current time of the user data object to the current time of the audio variable. You should not use optional chaining for this step because this is undefined. So to store the current time of the song when it is paused, set song of user data. Set song. Oh, okay, I got this. Song current time of the object. So I'm doing user data. Oh wait, or am I doing dot user data? Actually, is this the same one that we've been doing up here? So like this. Song current time. Where the hell did they mention audio? Oh, they did say audio. Oops. Oops. Okay, my bad. They did say audio, so that means they are telling me to do the user data over here. Something like this. If I'm spelling it right. User data, song, current time, audio. Oh, I kept on. Damn. Drop down. There we go. I kept song. I didn't notice they mentioned audio. Hey, what's up, Sid? Sub SB says, how are you doing? I'm doing great, man. Just trying to learn a bit more JavaScript. I'm not gonna lie though, I realized that my JavaScript, I realized that I finally got the logic down pat when it comes to JavaScript. As in, I know how to think. Now I just need to put my thinking into code. I feel like before I lacked the thinking knowledge, so I'm like, how would I do certain things? Like, I feel like if you could pinpoint a little bit of syntax or a little bit of code you need to put in there, that's kind of when you get the logic down. But now I need to be like, how do I translate this logic into code? And I think I'm almost there. Once I get to that point, I honestly, of course, you're going to still struggle because you're not going to be able to learn everything with JS, but definitely just need to get to that point. Use class list.remove to remove the plain class now. Okay, we got this. So this is quite simple. Love when they give us an easy task here. And then watch me fumble. Every time I say that, I always fumble. Plain. Oh, there's a pause method? What? What step are we on? Bruh, sometimes it's just literal. There is literally a dot pause method. Dot pause method. I mean, I'm assuming pauses. So it's a web audio API for pausing music, of course. Pauses. That's all I'm gonna write, honestly. It kind of says it for itself. Try to create from scratch. No, definitely. Literally, that's what I had planned for. I don't know when I'm gonna do it because I'm trying to come up with the ideas. Because I want it to be, I want to have so much ideas that I know a full hour of stream where I have a bunch of ideas that I could do. Oh wait, I forgot to do my pause. Method on the pause. I mean on the audio. I don't know if they want me to do audio dot pause and then what? Put nothing in there? Okay. But yeah, so I want to be able to, like, when I'm at work, I'm probably gonna like try to come up with ideas because I already have one of them that I want to do. Of course, most of them are probably going to be like more beginner-ish, like things that I think test my knowledge. But I definitely do plan on doing it. But I feel like I don't have too much ideas yet. So I'm literally going to jot them down on my phone. And when I get enough ideas to where I think this could definitely take at least 30 minutes, like tops, and then we could probably do free code camp at the end or do something. Or maybe, shoot, I could do something for a whole hour. But I definitely need to come up with more ideas because I want to come up with my own ideas because I hate like asking people for ideas because then it just feels like, I'm taking an order. And I feel like when it comes to coding, it's like at some point you have to stop taking orders and you have to build for yourself. So I feel like for me, it's like I want to come up with my own stuff. So it's because I'm building for me. You know what I mean? So I definitely can't wait to get into that. That's going to be so dope. Because I'm telling you, I think my logic got better. I don't think I'm going to do it perfectly because that's not the goal. Because the reason like why I think this way is because I was testing myself the other day and I wasn't getting it right like all the time. But I was damn near there every single time. There was just always something missing. And I'm like, yo, I'm basically there. I just need to stop missing whatever the hell is missing every time. Or not even what's missing, but just debug it without needing help in a way. Like, of course you could get help, but once you can end up realizing, okay, I messed up here, and then try to debug your own code to where it works, like, oh my god, that hits different. And I was doing that the other day. And I was like, yo, I think I'm ready. So add a click event listener to the pause button. Add event list. Oh, damn. My wire is still in the way. Why do I always spell listener like that? At this point, I just have to think, bro, how do you spell it? Listen. Then Okay, got it. I'm like, yo. What am I doing? So we're doing click. This is the function the event listener will run. Test out your app by first clicking the play button. Oh, so we're not putting anything in here? I don't think you can. Can you just do click? I was gonna say, I don't think you can just do click. Pause song button as the. Oh, they said that? I probably misread. Girl, pause song. What the hell? Am I supposed to write function? Am I supposed to write function or something? Like, what the hell do they want me to do? Pause song. Oh, wait. I'm stupid. Oh, come on. I just did this the other day. And I just remembered because when I passed it the other day, or not this one, but like something like this, I was like, why is it not taking my syntax? And then I realized you're able to just throw it in there without it. Ooh, so happy I got that. So it says, the same thing happened to me when Where was it? The same thing happened to me when learning C, got the logic down, but can't seem to put it in code. No, yeah, man, that's the, like, I feel like truly that's my last step. When I could finally put my logic into code, I think I'm good with JS. Like, straight up. Because then at that point, in a way, I'm gonna be able to at least lead myself to what the hell needs to be done. Have a great coding session. Thank you so much, man. So it doesn't have to be big. What you mean? Like as in like a big project? Yeah, no, I definitely was gonna keep it very small. Cause like I said, one of mine's is literally clicking a start button to having two buttons. That it's very simple, but it's like I can only assume the stuff I would have to do. Like I feel like I remember there being a dot create element. So I think you would create a variable and then you would do something to where maybe you're doing that variable dot create element and then button, right? And then you would do that button, try to target that specific button, change the text on that button, something like that. So it's like I can get that part down. It's just put that in code, damn it. Put it in code. We got to get that button, change the text of that button, then do the same thing for the second one. And then in my head though, it's kind of like, so am I putting that in the start button event listener? Like that's where my thinking goes. So it's like if I'm doing the start button event listener, because they're starting with the start button, then am I putting both new buttons in there? So like create new button left, create new button right. And then when you click on the start, those buttons are gonna pop up. I think is how you would do that. But I guess we're gonna figure it out whenever I get to that damn stream. So before you start working on playing the next and previous song, you need to get the index of each song and the song's property of user data. So start by creating the arrow function. So get current song index, damn, they made me write hella stuff, equals this hat arrow. Now, oh, is that it? What the hell do they want me to do? They're not even telling me anything. Oh, wait, no, they are. You need to get the index of each song. Honestly, I don't even remember how to do the index. So, cause like I know, are they telling me to do user data.song? And you know what's crazy? Is that all they're telling me? User data.song? Bruh, please come back up. I am using the arrow syntax. Oh, so do they not want something? I think they're just telling me what they want. Get current song index. Did I spell something? Reference error, I get current song index. Did I misspell something? What the hell? Am I flopping? Oh, I think, oh no. Are they mad about my space? Okay, I'm like, what the hell? Get current song index function. Oh, why? Or maybe I need to do let. Why would I forget to declare it? That's like the biggest part of an arrow function. I'm not, I mean, enough for me. Enough for me. How did I forget to declare it? He says, and doing it before or at the end of the stream would be good. You wouldn't need to do it for long. Or if you're trying to stretch stream time would be a good add-on. I mean, I guess that's pretty nice. I don't know. I feel like for me, I wish y'all could have heard me when I was talking to my partner about it. I was so hype and I was like, yo, like I really want to just come up with a bunch of different ideas, see if I could do it, blah, blah, blah. That I don't know. For me, it's like I feel like I want to have a lot of ideas and try to get them all out. Like on one stream just to see if I could do it. It probably would last an hour because I don't think I'm gonna get it right away. So with my struggling, it might end up lasting an hour, which is, hey, that's a good stream if someone's just struggling their like A off, in all honesty. But struggling to remember myself, no, yeah, it's crazy. It is crazy. But y'all, we're heading towards whoa, can't even speak. Heading towards the end of the stream. Oh my goodness, there's something in my eye. There's literally something in my eye. It was so crazy because yesterday I was at 1,270. Then I woke up at 1,269. And like I said, and then now I think I'm at 1,268. But I think what ends up happening is like people end up subscribing from like a stream and or like a YouTube short. And then when it pops up on their account that I'm streaming, they end up like unsubscribing because they're like, oh shoot, I didn't mean to subscribe to this person. Like, who the hell is this person? Because sometimes I'd be doing that. Well, I don't really subscribe for YouTube Shorts, but like, let's say I subscribe because of a specific video or something, and that next video doesn't really align, and then I kind of look and I'm like, oof, like I probably would just unsubscribe. But I feel like that's normally what happens. It's like every day I lose like a subscriber or two, but then I always gain it back. But I didn't end up gaining none this stream. I don't know if it was maybe my title, or probably because I messed up fucking going live at a certain time. So it's like, I should have honestly missed stream today. And I told myself to not stream today because I did get a good amount of subs yesterday. But now I feel like if I don't stream tomorrow, it's like I'm going to just backtrack myself. Because I need to not stream for at least one of these days so I can start at 12. It says, also remember, if it doesn't work out, you're still trying something new. No, yeah, big facts. Big facts. And I cannot wait, man. It's just super, super lit. But I'm so pissed because if y'all seen, I think 4 people had seen the video I posted yesterday. I completely forgot to make a thumbnail and to put like a title, description, tags. I forgot everything, and it was because I had no internet at my job. And normally I have internet, so I'm able to like fix it. But yesterday, man, like I had no internet until the end of the shift. I'm like, they definitely did that on purpose. So how many projects you work by HTML and CSS? How many projects have I made with HTML and CSS? Honestly, there's too much to count. I probably did like, because the thing is like, even if it's like a project that I did with JavaScript, I did the HTML and CSS on that too. So probably like 20 in a way. I don't know. I'll have to check. I could be oversaying that. Maybe I'll probably say 13. I could be exact for, or I could be confident to say. But I think I've had more. I should be making more projects though. You said we love that's what's up, man. That is what's up. If y'all got any questions, anything, that's all good. I gotta end up figuring out what type of thumbnail though I need for this video. I definitely need to figure out what type of thumbnail. I'm probably just gonna ask ChatGPT honestly and be like, yo, I made a video about blah blah blah. Give me a thumbnail idea. Actually, honestly, that's probably what I'm gonna do because I can't even think of how that thumbnail should even look. Or actually, I actually do remember what I wanted my thumbnail to look like. Wait, that was good. Hold on. This is real good. Can they stop? Perfect. Sorry, I'm trying to get my thumbnail out. But okay. So, by the way, if you are new here, I've been coding for 4 months. And I've been documenting every single part of my journey from day 0 to now. It says, are you going to use VS Code for the small projects? Oh, yes, definitely. Also, you thought of using GitHub for your projects. I do have GitHub now, but I haven't thought of putting my projects up there because I don't know. I just feel like when I know a lot of people tell me, even if it's small projects, just put it up there. But I feel like if my projects are small, I kind of just don't damn, this flies all up on me, bruh. I kind of just don't want to put a small project up there. Like, I want to put a meaningful project, a project that I put my all into, in a way. And I haven't yet gotten to stuff like that just because my JS skills aren't up to par. But I think I'm getting there, bro. Like, I honestly think by next month, like, what's today? The 22nd? I honestly think from, like, now to the 22nd of September, because I barely have time to learn. But I feel like from then, I really, like, am going to be able to build some great projects with, damn, my whole bun's moving. I'm just trying to scratch my head. But I think I'm really going to be able to, damn, did I get this picture or not? Code out like huge projects and stuff. I think it's going to be super damn dope because all you got to really do is just break it down into smaller projects. And then, from there, that's really your goal. Says, also, have you thought of using, oh wait, I already read that. So it's not about the projects, it's about showing your activity because GitHub records every time you push code to a code base, even if it's private. I mean, I guess that's true. I guess I could push it there, but I don't know. I mean, maybe I will. Jeez. But I do have a lot of my projects saved here, like on my laptop. So if anything, I could probably just one day, if I'm feeling it, push all of them there. And then probably just delete it off my damn laptop at that point because I was tired of it being on my laptop. It says, will AI become a threat to software developers' job? I don't think so. I think the only time it's going to become a threat is to the people who don't take, like you're being comfortable with coding. You're not learning how to work with code. Honestly, the only thing that's going to change about coding is that, number one, you're going to, like, back in the day, coding, and probably now, if you were to ever get into it today, you are writing your own code, right? You're basically writing the code out and that's what you're doing for your job. But what's going to happen when AI comes in is that AI is going to write the code. So it doesn't necessarily take your job. All that does is change your job. It doesn't take your job, it changes your job. So what you need to do from that point forward is to what you need to do from that point forward is to learn how to work with AI, learn problem solving, learn debugging. And that's probably gonna be your job, right? So, and have a creative mindset. Cause let's say the idea of a client is something, right? You tell AI ends up doing it. But then you end up sitting there and your client's like, actually, I wanted this to be a certain way. And when you try to tell AI, they keep fumbling it. They're not doing it. That's where you come in, you step in, you fix it, right? So I don't think people's jobs are going to be taken. I think people who get comfortable are probably going to get laid off, right? The ones that are so used to writing the code, but they don't know how to debug, they're probably going to get laid off. But if you learn the right steps and learn exactly what you're going to need to think and do for AI, you should be 100% fine. So I don't think jobs are going to be gone, right? Like I don't think web developer jobs are going to be gone. A lot of people try to say that because they're like, "Oh, you can just ask AI to make a website." Okay, but still someone needs to authorize over AI. It's just a no-brainer. There's still going to need to be people. Same thing with the software engineering as well. Same thing with just anything else that AI can come into. It's not going to take over completely. It's just going to take over the people who don't care to get better. It says like see your GitHub. It says I'm going to be another one of them people. Please upload even if you put them on private. Okay, so then I'll definitely do that then. I'll definitely do it. It says how project by AI example repeated or by self-thinking. I don't really get what you said there. It says it also helps get you in the habit of using. Okay, so then I'll definitely start posting on my GitHub then. I'll definitely start posting on my GitHub. I think that would be pretty damn cool to end up getting into then. And then I didn't even know you can give people your GitHub. Hey, we made it back to 1,270. Hey, thank you to the 2 subs. Would be nice if we could push that to 1,275, but I'll be grateful for my 70 coming back. I'll definitely be grateful for my 70 coming back. We're just going to keep chatting this up until, we hit about 45. 145, maybe 3, maybe a couple more minutes. If we get on an interesting topic, I definitely always stay on a little bit longer. So supposedly Amazon invested 10 billion in AI data centers in NC. So my school started pushing AI courses. But that's good though. That is good because imagine they're sitting here still trying to teach y'all how to code. I think we do need to learn how to use AI or learn AI software, right? We definitely need to get in there. Because if you don't know those things, you're just going to be one of those people that get left behind straight up. Straight up. And you don't want to get left behind. So that a lot of HRs look at your GitHub activity, green squares. That's why it's important. Okay, so that's nice. So I'll definitely go and throw it in there. Then that's definitely going to be the goal. A lot of y'all have talked me into a couple of things. Me downloading GitHub was definitely y'all. And then I think Git Bash was y'all at some point too. I don't know if y'all remember that when I wasn't like trying to install Git Bash and then I finally did. Or Git Dash. What the hell is it? Bash or Dash? I'm not even sure. Then doing the Discord. I always get talked into doing something. Always. But I'm definitely gonna push my code over there. Someone also told me to do the same thing to LinkedIn. So I guess I gotta make a LinkedIn account as well, which is gonna be super dope. It says HR combining with it. Okay, that's pretty dope. That's pretty cool. Definitely like up this stream. I mean, I think we already got the stream. Okay, yeah, we got the stream to like 15 likes. At this point, we can't change it. It says, damn, I'm late today. Just got off work, but getting home got late. Damn. That sucks, man. That's why I kind of hate my schedule in a way because I feel like I stream either like at the moment of people's crucial time in the day. And I'm like, yo, I need to fix my schedule because my schedule, like when my work starts, that's literally when everyone is out of work. So it's so hard for me to be like, yeah, let me stream because some people are going to be out of work. Some people are going to be up and about. So it's kind of like, damn, it's trashy. And I can't switch my schedule. Like, it's not easy to switch your schedule at my job. So, oh yeah, terminal usage like Git and Bash is also important. Oh yeah. But it's like, it's so hard to change your schedule at my job. And then even if you do, like, let's say you try to go to mornings, it becomes like it's way worse to be working in the morning. So it's like, and I wouldn't even be able to get it. I wouldn't get it. Like, there's too many people are going to go for it. So I thought of learning AI since it's also being used a lot for game development. Oh yeah, definitely go for it, man. Definitely go for it because AI is going to come in the picture and you need to be ahead of the game. I believe in you, no excuses. I know you could do it. You said, what about SASS? I don't even know what that is. So, well, I think you're good. But I work 14 hours, so not you. It's just me, just a me problem. I work 12 hours. But even though I work 12 hours, it's like that still wouldn't interfere with my streaming time because I literally get out in the morning. So that doesn't help. Doesn't help at all. Because that was one thing I was thinking about. I was like, maybe if I get out of work and then I go stream. But then I was thinking about the people who live in the USA. It's like, imagine catching a stream at 7 a.m. Like, I'm more of a late night streamer, maybe midday stream. Like, but I just would never, you'll never catch me watching a stream at 7 in the morning. Like, that's just not, it's not gonna work. Or even 10 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I mean, maybe some people can watch streams at that time. But I don't know. I like to watch streams when I'm about to go to bed or something. Like, that's the tea for me. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna end up popping off this live. I wish I could have stayed on a little bit longer just because I would have loved to chat it up with y'all. But I got to upload this video that I fumbled on yesterday, so which I'm very mad about. But what was I about to say? Oh yes, I'm gonna close this off by saying coding for 4 months. I think I'm starting to crack the code. I think I'm starting to understand. And I just watched this motivational video too, where they were talking about people who know JavaScript. It's not like they know every single line of JavaScript that they need to do. Most of the time, it's them writing something and then they have to debug it. And then it just gave me confidence because like a part of me did feel like I need to know everything. And I feel like I gotta stop thinking that. When I can get to the point of like, because of course there's going to be people who have more experience, like how you guys can call out my code and be like, oh, this has something messed up. I got to stop thinking like, how do I say it? I got to stop comparing my day like 134 to someone who's probably been learning since 5 years ago. Or to someone, because a part of me thinks like, damn, I don't think I know JavaScript until I can call out somebody else's code being wrong. You know what I mean? But I got to remember like, no, like my day 134 is not the same to someone's day 600. You know what I mean? So it says, you work 12. Well, I guess you have to get some rest. Got to get to fan subs. No, yep. It says, yep, you got this. Keep up the good work. Get some rest. See ya. No, yep. Damn, my stream is actually like far behind. Damn. But I'll definitely be seeing y'all later though. I'm going to be ending this stream. Deuces. Love y'all. Y'all have been amazing. Goodbye.